Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with Outlook open and the new message window active. Place the cursor exactly where you want the emoji. Positioning matters because Outlook inserts at the caret. Once the cursor is set, call the system emoji picker. That's the reliable method across Outlook apps. On Windows, use Win+. On Mac OS, use Control plus Command plus space. This bypasses inconsistent built-in icon menus and ensures emoji paste as text characters that render for recipients. Once the system picker is open, navigate categories or type a keyword to find the exact emoji you want. You can scroll or search. Searching is faster for specific icons. Click the emoji and it inserts immediately at your caret as a Unicode character, so it behaves like regular text for formatting and copy/paste. Make sure to adjust font size or color afterward if needed, because sizing can differ between fonts and Outlook themes, so preview before sending to confirm the appearance. Finalize your message and preview the draft before sending to ensure the emoji displays as intended. If you see a square or blank box, change the email font to Sego UI emoji on Windows or Apple Color emoji on Mac OS. That often resolves rendering. Once done, send a test to yourself or view the sent item to confirm cross-device appearance. If a recipient sees no color emoji, use a short plain text description alongside the emoji as a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.